Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into the best Andis Pet Clippers for dogs. The Andis 24820 EasyClip Professional Animal 7-piece Detachable Ceramic Blade Clipper Kit. This tool is built for pet owners and grooming enthusiasts who want salon-level results from the comfort of home. Let's start with what sets this product apart. The Andis 24820 is a corded electric clipper designed specifically for dogs with heavy coats. If you've got a furry companion that tends to mat easily or just has a thick double coat that standard trimmers can't handle, this clipper will make a noticeable difference. The unit is equipped with a single-speed motor that provides powerful, consistent clipping action while remaining impressively quiet. That's a big plus for anxious pets who don't respond well to loud buzzing. The clipper includes a detachable ceramic blade, which is another major advantage. Ceramic stays cooler longer than traditional steel, meaning less heat transfer to your dog's skin during extended grooming sessions. That reduces the risk of irritation, and it also makes the grooming experience more comfortable and safe. You also get 4 attachment combs that make it easy to control coat length and style. The build of the clipper is solid and well-weighted, giving it a professional feel without being overly bulky. The 12-foot power cord is a standout feature. It gives you the freedom to move around your pet without being tethered to a nearby outlet. Whether you're trimming on a grooming table or the kitchen floor, you won't feel restricted. Another big win is the included hard storage case. Everything you need, the clipper, blade, combs, oil, and brush, fits neatly inside, making it ideal for organized storage or travel. Whether you're a home groomer or someone who takes their tools on the go, the packaging is frustration-free and practical. As far as versatility goes, the Andis 24820 works well for all coat types, but really shines with dense or heavy fur. It's ideal for breeds like golden retrievers, collies, and German shepherds, or even smaller dogs that just need a bit of maintenance between professional grooming visits. Now let's talk value. At a price of $84.99 plus shipping, it's a mid-range clipper, not the cheapest, but far from the most expensive. Given the quality of the blade, the thoughtful design, and the accessories included, it delivers strong value. You're not just paying for a name, you're getting a durable, reliable tool that performs well. Overall, the Andis 24820 EasyClip is an excellent investment if you're looking for a pet clipper that can handle tough coats while being easy to maintain and quiet enough for sensitive dogs. It's not over-engineered, but it delivers everything you need for professional quality grooming at home. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you have any questions about this product or want us to review other grooming tools, see you in the next video.